What is mask mouth? Yes, it's become a real problem in this age. It's estimated that about 50% of patients are experiencing some kind of symptom or sign of oral disease by simply wearing a mask. People who never had any kind of issue before, showed great gum health, cavities, what have you, great hygiene habits, have now actually are showing signs of gingival inflammation and increased incidence of cavities. And why is that? Because we're wearing a mask. You're not getting the oxygen you need. You're not able to exhale out all of the waste, if you will, carbon dioxide, as well as other viruses and bacteria that is usually in our aspiration. So it's being contained in our mouths, and it's actually being seen. And here's the bad thing about it is when you have increased inflammation in your gums, that's still your body. It don't matter where your body has inflammation. It just has inflammation, and it's going through all of this process trying to heal itself, and it can't. And it's chronic. It becomes more and more of an issue. So that is what mask mouth is. I can even say it, mask mouth. It's almost like a tongue twister. And it's a twister because it's twisted up people's smile. So when you're comfortable, take off the mask, smile, get the air you need, and exhale all of the waste that our body actually produces in the form of carbon dioxide, etc.